After getting all the means of the factors of each extracted components in each of the stressor, and getting the summation of the items under each indicator, we will now compute for the determinants or predictors of stress. So to compute for the determinants of stress, we will click on Analyze, Regression, then click on Linear. We first choose we will first compute for the determinants of the physical stress. So we click on Physical, and then we move it to the dependent box. For the independent variables, we will choose the S total, M total, R total, and B total. And then we will click on OK. In our Word document, we need to create a table of this format showing the necessary regression data. The R squared, and the adjusted R squares data can be found in the model summary table. So this is the R square, and the adjusted R square. The F value for ANOVA and the significance of F values can be found in the ANOVA table. So this is the F and the significance values. We need to present in the table the variables that appear significant in the equation. And we can see that the variables that have significant values are M total and the B total, because their values are less than 0.05. It's 0.026 and 0.000. That is why we only included the B total and the M total regression values in our table. We need to show in the table the B, beta, P value, and the significance or P values of the variables that appeared significant.